Want clear, glowing, and healthy skin? There's one powerhouse ingredient that dermatologists swear by: niacinamide. But what exactly is it? How does it work? And most importantly, how should you be using it for the best results? Stick around because I'm breaking it all down in this video. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for the best skincare tips. Today, we're diving into everything you need to know about niacinamide, its benefits, how to use it, and who should be cautious with it. Let's get started. What is niacinamide? Niacinamide, also known as vitamin B3, is a water-soluble vitamin that works wonders for the skin. It's an all-in-one ingredient that helps with multiple skin concerns: hydration, acne, hyperpigmentation, and even fine lines. Fun fact: your body doesn't produce niacinamide on its own, which is why it's great to use it in your skincare routine. Benefits of niacinamide. 1. Strengthens the skin barrier. Niacinamide boosts ceramide production, which keeps your skin hydrated and protected from environmental damage. 2. Controls oil and fights acne. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, niacinamide regulates sebum production, reducing breakouts and shine. 3. Reduces hyperpigmentation. It fades dark spots and acne scars by slowing down the transfer of pigment in the skin. 4. Minimizes fine lines and wrinkles. It stimulates collagen production, helping to keep skin firm and youthful. 5. Calms redness and soothes sensitivity. If you struggle with rosacea or irritated skin, niacinamide's anti-inflammatory properties help reduce redness and irritation. 3. How to use niacinamide in your routine. When to use it. Niacinamide is super versatile. You can use it in the morning, evening, or both. It works well with other ingredients and is usually found in serums, moisturizers, and toners. How to use it. Cleanse your face. Apply toner, if using one. Apply a niacinamide serum, 2 to 10%. Follow with moisturizer and sunscreen, AM/night cream, PM. Pro tip: if you have sensitive skin, start with a lower concentration, 2 to 5%, and gradually increase it. 4. Can you mix niacinamide with other ingredients? Pairs well with hyaluronic acid for extra hydration, zinc for acne-prone skin, retinol for anti-aging, but apply at different times if irritation occurs. Vitamin C, some say they don't mix, but modern formulations make them compatible. Avoid mixing with strong exfoliants, AHA/BHA, in the same routine can cause irritation for sensitive skin. 5. Who can use niacinamide? Great for oily skin, dry skin, acne-prone skin, aging skin, sensitive skin. Who should be cautious? Most people can tolerate niacinamide, but if you experience irritation, start slow or choose a lower concentration. Rarely, some people may experience flushing or breakouts. If that's you, try using it every other day instead of daily. And that's everything you need to know about niacinamide. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments, do you use niacinamide in your skincare routine? Subscribe for more skincare tips and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. See you in the next one.